Hi, happy campers, and how are you today? The other day we were talking to you about the three states of matters: solids, liquids, and there's one more state of matter. Let me talk to my special guest here, Benjamin. Hey, Benjamin, do you know what the third state of matter is?
No.
Well, we got solids and liquids, and there's one more state of matter. It's called gas. What do you think about when you think of gas?
Zach's gas.
Oh, Zach would be his older brother, so he's referring to the gas achieved by going to White Castle. If you live in the St. Louis area, you know exactly what White Castle is, otherwise known as belly bombers. Yeah, good stuff, Maynard. But that's not the kind of gas we're talking about, Ben.
Oh.
We're talking about the kind of gas that's right here all around us.
Air.
And we also have balloons, you see. And when we have our balloons, we tend to like to blow our balloons up, right?
Yeah, but I don't know how.
Well, if I ask you to take this balloon and blow it up, how would you try to do it? What would be the first thing you would do?
Blow.
Where would you put it? In your mouth, that's right. Well, what if I challenged you to blow up the balloon without putting it in your mouth? What would you do?
Put air in it.
How? How would you put air in it? Without, he's heading for the tire pump. Very wise thinking. But there's another way we can do it. We can use my good old friend Alka-Seltzer. And we could take and get Alka-Seltzer. We used these the other day and we saw that they can make bubbles, right? Well,
I'm confused.
maybe I can use Alka-Seltzer and a balloon and a bottle of water and cause the balloon to blow up. What if I took Alka-Seltzers and opened them up and I stuffed them inside the balloon? Now there's Alka-Seltzers all inside the balloon.
There is?
There is.
Oh my gosh.
And then I put the balloon on top of the bottle. Bubbles brought to you by Alka-Seltzer. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz. Oh, what a relief it is. How about we take the balloon and stand it up straight? What do you think will happen if we take the balloon and stand it up straight? Well, you got to untwist it a little bit, and the Alka-Seltzer will fall out of the balloon, and you get all the bubbles. See that? Look what's happened. The bubbles are flowing up into the balloon, and the balloon's filling up with air. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
And we didn't even have to put our lips on the balloon. So, this is how Ben and I would blow up a balloon without using our lips. Another way to do it would be to use vinegar in the bottle and baking soda in the balloon and tip it up. The only problem is sometimes when you use vinegar and baking soda or Alka-Seltzer and water, if the balloon is not sealed on the top good enough, it flies off. And when it flies off full of vinegar, that kind of can stink up a room when it sprays on the kids in the room. That's a bad thing, right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for joining us on Alka-Seltzer Fun for Science.